Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today, I would like to show you how to add multiple remote wireless switches to the Lutron Caseta in-wall dimmer switch. Here, I have the Lutron Caseta in-wall dimmer switch, and I have added one remote Lutron Pico wireless switch. Both the Caseta and the Pico wireless switch can control the light or group of lights that it is connected to. But what if you have a situation where you would like to have 3 or more switches to control the light or group of lights? Say you have a room with 3 doors and 1 overhead light. If you would like to be able to control the light from all 3 of the doors, you will need 3 switches. This is a very easy matter with the Lutron Caseta in-wall dimmer switch system. Just add a third gang box within 30 feet of the Caseta switch if the signal has to travel through walls, and it needs to be within 60 feet if the signal will be line of sight. This is the Lutron Pico remote control wall plate bracket. Just slide the Pico controller into the wall plate bracket and then attach the bracket to the gang box. This is the Lutron Claro screwless wall plate. What you do is first put on the backing plate. It just screws right on to the gang box. Then just snap on the screwless wall plate. Now you must link the new Pico switch with the Caseta switch. Press the off button of the Caseta for 6 seconds until the LEDs flash. Now press the off button of the new Pico switch for 6 seconds until the lights flash 3 times. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, the new Pico and the Caseta are linked. Now let's try out our 3 switches. Just turn it off with the Caseta, turn it on with the new Pico, turn it off with the other Pico, turn it back on with the other Pico, and I'm dimming it down with the new Pico. I am dimming it up with the Caseta. I'm dimming it back down with the original Pico. So there's a dim it all the way down, dim it back up. So all 3 of these switches work great. They're all linked together, and you notice 2 of the switches have no wires whatsoever. So this is a really useful setup for any situation where you would like numerous switches. You can have up to 9 of the Pico switches in addition to the Caseta. So you can have 10 devices to control the light or group of lights. And more switches would be added in the same manner that the third switch was. Just hold down the off button of the Caseta for 6 seconds and hold down the off button of your newest Pico for 6 seconds, and they'll just all be linked together. I'll put links in my video description for the Lutron Caseta wireless in-wall dimmer, the Pico remote controller, the Pico wall plate bracket, the Fluke 1AC voltage detector, the Milwaukee 3-piece 1000 volt insulated screwdriver set, for Wago lever nuts in the 5, 3, and 2 connector sizes, and for Leviton and Lutron screwless wall plates. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful.